Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with today's morning show. Okay, so Fabrizio Romano will be our transfer guru. Can let us know say for the summer, Arsenal and Liverpool will fight for Alexander Isak. They are going to drag for him. But they see the person will go sign up. Two of them are expected to carry their project, give Alexander Isak, make him go through the project and decide, because these two people are going to be looking for centre forward. Liverpool want to do away with Darwin Núñez. It's not really that clinical and prolific, proficient or prolific. Arsenal, on the other hand, they don't look for striker. Long time coming, and they feel Isak is the icing on their cake. They will be saying go complete their team, so go dey very easy, because when you look at how the media reported it, so they talk plenty. I watch when Fabrizio Romano talk about time. So well, it is what it is. We'll see how everything go unfold at the end of the day. If really Arsenal will get the guy, fine and good. But say Romano confirms Arsenal and Liverpool set to battle it out for one signing this summer. So Romano was speaking on Isak's future. He said, I don't think this contrast story will really change his performances. He's going to do his best for Newcastle till the end. But then we have to see what happens when Arsenal and Liverpool, what Arsenal and Liverpool does, because I expect these two clubs to arrive with important proposals in the summer. And at that stage, we'll have to wait and see what the player decides to do and what kind of conversations he will have with Newcastle, because at the same time people forget there's a superior factor in this race, and that factor is Newcastle. The player does not have a buyer's clause, so it will be quite difficult for it to take him out of the grasp of this Newcastle. All right, away from that, so shockingly, Arsenal don't launch a dating show to match up the singles at Arsenal. Those who can watch match, so they want to say, okay, all the people never marry, where they find husband, where they find wife. But yeah, they want to do blind dating and show. So they say love is in the air at the Emirates Stadium after Arsenal announced they are launching a blind date show. The Gunners revealed the extraordinary move to find matches for that single. In fact, when I go to the Arsenal website, now I see the picture, I was like, Arsenal really serious with this thing. They really won't find a spouse, or husband or wife for their fans. So that one saved day. All right, so if you check the Arsenal website, you'll see this image for the front page there. You'll see the big match. Do you love? You'll see that love symbol with the cloud. The Arsenal. So when you read the entirety of the report, you will see match days at Emirates Stadium are a time to connect with the beautiful game and each other. It is for this reason that we are launching a new dating show that celebrates how a shared love of football can prove a catalyst for an even deeper romance. We are calling on our single supporters in the United Kingdom to apply to be a part of this production, which will involve attending a blind date with a fellow Gunner centered around the Arsenal games. They're going to drop the criteria. We will take joint. Say you must be at least 18 years old. You must be single. You must be a British national or living in the United Kingdom as a legal resident. So they talk plenty. So for all of now, the UK, you never marry. Oh yeah, time don't reach you. Arsenal giving a husband and wife. Just they're quite funny. All right, so away from that, so the London Evening Standard going to let us know what they happened for Saudi Pro League and their plan. The Saudi Pro League have 6-man transfer wish list. Kevin De Bruyne, Vinicius Jr., Gabriel Magalhaes, Salah, Darwin Núñez, all these people, even Mohamed Kudus, they have been lined up for moves. Say one season don't end. Saudi Pro League, the entire EPL, but they can't see where they go collect, then get money now, where they go spend reckless abandon. They don't get any PSR or FFP, where they hinder them for that side. So spend as you like. You get, as long as if you strengthen your team, now be their own rule for that place. So but more they see. But personally, I feel Arsenal don't send Gabriel Magalhaes. Even Gabriel Magalhaes don't talk and say, even if he go come up for Arsenal, where he won't go now Corinthians. Was it not yesterday? I believe for yesterday, I saw a picture where he was watching one Corinthians game in there for the stadium, there with the fans. All of them do selfie, like some people around them, they do selfie. Yeah, those who recognize, Gabrielito, all those are Brazilian vibes now. So I don't think he's going anywhere anytime soon. You get, so I still think they will still give him a bumper contract extension and ask to increase his salary. It will Saliba go do here for many years to come, because it no go make sense after you build this kind of formidable partnership in the center of our defense. You can't say 100 million, 150 million. Baba, it's not go easy to get another Gabriel Magalhaes. Even if you go get, the person will first pass adaptation stage, just like Gabriel Magalhaes said, passing. So for me, I don't really buy that idea. Now, they say Arsenal one hand new deal to 19-year-old starlet Alexi Rojas, where because that plan to integrate into the first team from next season. Now, this particular boy, the boy in a goalkeeper, you get, because they say a report from AS Colombia indicates that Arsenal's management has prioritized Rojas' contract renewal, viewing him as an important part of their long-term goalkeeping plans. The agreement serves as a strong vote of confidence in the teenager's abilities, and the club is eager to give him opportunities in the senior ranks. Because the guy himself now keep IMB, so that they keep him for the future. Say the guy himself, he did good. Meanwhile, now Arsenal give us fresh updates. Say, say Julian Timber been sick. We can miss some games for international duty for Holland, aka Netherlands. So now they hear say after missing both of Netherlands games over an international break through illness, Julian Timber returns to full team training today and is expected to be fit to face Fulham next week. So look at it this way: against Fulham now we have a full house. We have Ben White raring to go. We have Bukayo Saka raring to go. We have Julian Timber raring to go. Yeah, so how Arteta go do am? Ben White will be say you don't recover, you don't come back, you don't do full fitness, ready to go. And Timber will be sick, will be say you don't lose some kind of fluids. You need to recover fully. Who Arteta go come start? Are you starting the Timber who's coming back from sickness? We are starting Ben White who has come back from injury long time, play some cameo appearances, and is ready to go. You get, so like, what do we do? Our work will continue like what will they do since White, Odegaard, and Bukayo Saka on the right side. And like, I think that day is a situation whereby he will make tough decisions. Now, good daily might be because he's going to decide: should I start with Waneri or start with Saka? Did I start with Ben White or start with Simba? Yeah, so now I think I will really decide at the end of the day. So let's watch and keep our fingers crossed and see how everything will unfold at the end of the day. All right, away from that now. So Ian Wright, come and say I want to criticize Arsenal's striker plans because Baba dey vex say they don't give Mika Biereth chance for Arsenal. You guys look at what he's doing at Monaco. He's scoring plenty. Ian Wright criticizes Arsenal striker plans as legendary forward helps Monaco's Mika Biereth become £4 million scoring sensation for Monaco. Now, when you go down this particular report of Goal.com, they say what happened. The London-born forward left Arsenal for Sturm Graz last summer after failing to break into Mikel Arteta's first team. Now, Monaco quickly snapped him in January after a bright first half of the season, and since then, the 22-year-old has been prolific for Monaco. Now, Ian Wright has spoken about the relationship. See, the reason we make Monaco first carry this guy now because Folari Barbu get like a season-ending injury. Monaco going to look for a cheaper alternative. Even the Monaco self don't know say the ball will be like this. But me, I don't subscribe to Ian Wright line of thought because it is easy. Hindsight is 2020. It is easy to use the power of hindsight. You can't judge Arteta and Arsenal and say, I don't give this boy a chance. Look at what it has become today now. The first question you will ask is, how many loan this guy don't come out go do for Arsenal? Don't be saying just the Arsenal, he just go some grass. No, he went to Motherwell. He went to many other places where we say, we'll look at him because I go check the statistics. When you look, first of all, this guy when he played for Fulham under 18, Arsenal under 21, Arsenal under 23. For Arsenal under 23 in 2021-2022 season, he played 21 games, he scored 11 goals, just like Obi Martinjido, 8 assists. Fine, you know, see there enough. That's just okay. But then give him more chance, maybe go another loan. 2022-2023 season, he went to RKC Warwick. He played 12 matches and he scored 2 goals. People don't remember how that one because he don't come up for under 23 level now. He don't enter the senior team. You go in normal team. 12 games, 2 goals, he come back to Arsenal. I think that's okay. You need to go out on another loan, you get, because we are still small. He can't go Motherwell. For Motherwell, he played 14 games, he scored 6 goals, and he give 5 assists. You know, Motherwell is in the Scottish Premier League. But then also, that's okay. Your growth is, we are seeing your growth, you're coming up before you come go Storm Graz. For Storm Graz, he played the first season. He couldn't do 2 years for Storm Graz. First season, 2023-2024 season, he played 15 games. He scored 5 goals, 2 assists. Then Storm Graz will say, okay, let us retain you for another year. Now that time, after this 2023-2024, Storm Graz come with us and say, okay, this guy will score 5 goals for us. We like him. At least he score 5 goals. We like him. I beg, sell him to us. Now then, Arsenal can sell him. Now, as you don't understand the Austrian Bundesliga, he can play the second season of the 2024-2025. Now there he can score 11 goals, 4 assists in 16 games. Then Arsenal already sell him. So after this one, 9 months I could say, Balogun come there in June. I could some grass. This guy when I buy from Arsenal, give us this guy again. So we would like to collect him, and then can go. Look at, and then can go. Then for 2024-2025, this is his first season. The season can play, he can score 11 goals and 9 matches. Again. So look at the trajectory. There is no way in 2021 you would have foreseen the future that in 2024-2025 this boy will be a scoring sensation. Just like there's no way you would have forecasted the future that Harry Kane will come after they come for sure. I mean, the future it will be Tottenham sport legend, highest scorer for, like, I don't know the highest scorer for England, but I know he's one of them. Like, you can't forecast all these things, so you don't come and look at the end and not use the power of hindsight. Don't come and criticize Arsenal and the hierarchy. No, I will not stand for that. Yes. It happened in life. Many Serge Gnabry no be when they let him go. Last he Biereth for Bayern Munich. So they cry? No. What about those who come out and make? When I know they mention those ones, so they know the judge matter like that. All right, let's bring a message from one of our sponsors, Mobile World Associates and Co Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works, and mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 80 6464 2234. So if you're interested in any of their services, you can reach them on number 7 Kennywood Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. All right, get in touch with them if you want any of their services. So the biggest news of the day, according to Fabrizio Romano, Arsenal and Liverpool are going to fight for Alexander Isak come summer. Again, see, 2 of them, they need a striker. They will tender their projects, and the Isak is going to go through it and decide what to do. And there's also another factor in the matter. Newcastle say you are not going anywhere. The project does not really matter. In fact, it's contracted to Newcastle, so you can't go and be approaching him anyhow. Okay, so let's just see how things unfold. So my dear Arsenal, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and end. So till I come your way later in the evening. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out. Bye guys. Ciao.